Curry leaves are rich in protective plant substances, such as alkaloids, glycosides, and phenolic compounds, that give this fragrant herb potent health benefits. Weight loss. Curry leaves can aid weight loss. Carbazole alkaloids work against weight gain and help in regulating cholesterol levels in the body. Constipation and diarrhea. Curry leaves are said to support bowel movement and stimulate digestive enzymes. Good for diabetes. Curry leaves have been found to reduce blood glucose levels effectively. Dental care. Curry leaves having antibacterial and antimicrobial properties are extremely effective in maintaining good oral health. Hair growth. Curry leaves can stimulate hair follicles and promote growth of healthy strands with normal hair pigment. Improves memory. Incorporating curry leaves in your diet can have beneficial effects on your memory. Prevents graying of hair. Help in preventing graying of the hair. It is also very effective in treating damaged hair. Reduce thinning of hair. Being rich in beta-carotene and protein, curry leaves are excellent for making your tresses thicker. Eradicates bacteria. Curry leaves are laden with carbazole alkaloids, compounds that contain antioxidant, antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties. Lower cholesterol levels. These leaves have been shown to have positive effects on reducing LDL or bad cholesterol levels. Please like and subscribe my channel.